Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. How are you? How you doing? We're halfway through the week here, so hopefully you're moving and grooving and getting your stuff done and taken care of that you need to. Even if you're not, that's okay. You still got half a week to pull it together, and if you're having a bad week, my heart goes out to you. Just get through it the best you can. And I would also say, if you are having a bad week, if things feel like they're just really tough right now, get outside. Get to feel the sun, the wind, the rain, the snow, whatever you've got available to you. Feel that. Touch the grass, the pavement, the trees. Look at some flowers, even if they're weeds. Whatever you need to do, but get outside and balance yourself a little bit with nature. Have a great day, everybody.